For you to join a meeting on Google Meet on iPad, you will need to install the app. So please install the app. Check the description if you wish to see a tutorial. You will need to have the ID of the session. Find this info from the person who creates the meeting. Tap on Meeting Code. Now write here the ID of the meeting. Tap on Join Meeting. Please note, if you have multiple Google accounts, you can also switch to another account here. Also, you can turn off the microphone or turn off the camera if you want before you join. Maybe, if you are not correctly dressed or you wish not to be in an awkward situation, do the setting directly here. Here, tap Ask to join. Wait until the host permits you to enter the meeting. We are in the meeting now. You will see the microphone and camera button. You can turn off or turn on. If the camera and microphone are red, then it means they are off. We will have here also the leave button. At the meeting, we have People tab, Chat tab, and Info tab. On the People tab, we will see the list of participants. If you tap on somebody's picture, you will pin that person and you will see it live. You can also choose yourself to pin. On the chat, we will be able to talk with the participants with text. On the Info tab, we will find the info about the meeting and have the possibility to invite somebody else. The three dots menu will allow you to switch the camera and also share the screen of your iPad. On the top, we have the audio option and also the caption option. You can turn the caption on so you see what people say. This is very good when you do not hear the meeting. Now, if you wish to leave the meeting, just tap on this button. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.